Grammar confusion? Let's fix it. Hello, everyone, and welcome to English River. I'm truly excited to have you here today. Whether you are a student, a professional, a job seeker, or simply someone who wants to improve their English skills, you have found the right place. At English River, we believe that learning English should be simple, enjoyable, and accessible to everyone, just like a river flows naturally. Our goal is to help your English flow with confidence and ease. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. I invite you to subscribe, turn on notifications, and become part of the English River community. Now, let's begin today's lesson and take the first step toward better English together. Have you ever wondered whether to use your YOUR or YOU apostrophe REUR, THEIR there or THERE there? Don't worry. In today's lesson, we will fix some of the most common grammar confusions in English. Let's get started. YOUR, your versus YOU apostrophe RE. Many people get confused between YOUR, your, and YOU apostrophe R, your, because they sound exactly the same. What is YOUR, your? It means it shows the ownership, means like it belongs to you. Example, your book is on the table. Is this your pen? I like your dress. What is YOU apostrophe R, your? Which means it's a short form of you are. Example, you are a great student. You are very kind. You are learning English. Here it's an easy trick that you means you are. It's a two word. And then there is a common mistake everyone do. That is you are welcome. You are. It's wrong. You should use YOU apostrophe RE. You are welcome. That's the correct word to use it. Let's go to the next slide. THEIR there versus THERE there versus THEY apostrophe RE there. These three words sound the same but have different meanings. What is THEIR there? Belongs to them, shows ownership. Example, their house is beautiful. Their teacher is very friendly. Their dog is sleeping. What is THERE there? There tells about a place or a location. Example, the keys are over there. The bus is over there. Put the bag there. We went there yesterday. What is there? THEY apostrophe RE. There means a short form of they are. Example, they are studying English. They are playing football. They are my friends. They are studying English. Like that, you can use there as there. Let's go to the next slide. It's versus its. ITS, its versus IT apostrophe S, its. This is another common mistake. What is its? It shows possession, belongs to it. Possessions means it belongs to it. The dog wagged its tail. The dog wagged its tail. The cat licked its paw. The company changed its logo. Like that, something belongs to it. We can use its. What is it apostrophe s? It's a short form of it is or it has. We can use both. It is. It's raining today. It's sunny today. It's a beautiful day. It's time to go home. Replace it's with it is. It's it is a easy trick. It's raining means it is raining. Let's go to the next slide. THEN then versus THAN then. What is then? Then is related to time or sequence, time or order. Example, we had lunch, then we went home. We ate dinner, then watched a movie. Finish your homework, then go outside. First study, then relax. So it comes every time related to a time and a sequence, a order. What is than? Than means it's used for when comparing something, comparing things. Example, she is taller than her brother. She is taller than her brother. The book is better than that one. This book is better than that one. I run faster than my friend. If you are comparing two things, use than. Let's go to the next slide. Much versus many. Much versus many. What is much? Use much with things we cannot count individually. Uncountable nouns. Use much with things we cannot count individually. How much water do you drink? These are called uncountable nouns. Example, how much water do you drink? How much sugar do you need? How much time do we have? Water, sugar, and time cannot usually be counted one by one. What is many? Use many with things we can count. It's a countable noun. These are called countable nouns. Example, how many books do you have? How many students are in the class? How many apples did you buy? So the books, students and apples can be counted. I will tell you an easy trick. If you want to use much, you can use for the things you cannot count. If you want to use many, that can be always countable. Next slide. Fewer versus less. What is fewer? Use fewer for things that can be counted. Example, fewer students attended today. There are fewer cars on the road. We need fewer chairs. You can count students, cars, and chairs. What is less? Use less for things that cannot be counted easily. Example, I have less money now. I have less money now. We need less water. She spends less time on social media. Money, water, and time are treated as uncountable quantities. So, fewer means countable, less means uncountable. Okay, guys, we have come to the conclusion and that it's for today's lesson. I hope this video helped clear up some common grammar confusion and made English a little easier for you. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every small step brings you closer to confidence and fluency. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future lessons. In our next grammar confusion episode, we will tackle more commonly confused words and grammar rules that many English learners struggle with. If there's a grammar topic you would like me to explain, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for spending your time with English River today. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and let your English flow like a river. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.